HEB pre-prepped salad. The old lady wants to have something healthy with our food today. As you can see, it is not a very easy open, so you better have some scissors or a very sharp knife available. She's going in it with the Cutco bread knife, which will work just fine. So the great thing about these salads is that it is no muss, no fuss, easy to do. Comes with all the ingredients pre-packaged, very easy to do. Just open it up, dump it into a clean bowl, and get you some nice salad. It's got some little cabbage, little lettuce, and lettuce bits, some kale. It's all good stuff. So this is a cracked pepper one, as you saw. So you need some black pepper, which the wife is furiously biting to get it open. Get the cracked pepper in there. You get the Parmesan cheese, because who doesn't like dairy in their salad? You know. Get your croutons. Very simple. Get your salad dressing. This one is Caesar salad dressing. Just squeeze it in, mix it up, and it's delicious.